Let's fix your hormones to fix your life. Feeling low, tired, unmotivated, or emotionally drained all day? It is not your laziness, but because of hormones being out of balance. Let's fix that naturally. 1. Serotonin. Serotonin is your mood and happiness hormone, and low serotonin can make you feel sad, anxious, or mentally heavy. So to boost it, get sunlight, stretch your body, eat healthy foods, and practice gratitude daily. 2. Endorphins. Endorphins are your body's natural painkiller and stress reliever, and they make you feel energized and positive. You can boost endorphins by physical workout, laughing, listening to music, or even dancing. 3. Oxytocin, the love hormone. It makes you feel connected, calm, and emotionally safe. Boost it today by hugging loved ones, spending time with parents and friends, showing kindness, or petting animals. 4. Dopamine. Dopamine is your motivation and reward hormone. Too much scrolling and instant pleasure can drain it. Boost it by setting small goals, such as reading just 2 pages, watching at least one educational video on YouTube, and even just making your bed in the morning will work. Learn new skills and limit your social media. When your hormones are balanced, your mood improves, your energy rises, and life feels easier and more powerful. Save this video and watch this again and again for reminding your brain laboratory. Share this with your loved ones to improve their lifestyle also. Start working with your biology, not against it.